In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix board performance issues in Monday.com. Open Monday.com in your browser and log in. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the left sidebar and click the board that's having the performance issue. This opens the board where you'll make the changes. Start with archiving completed items because this has the biggest impact on board speed. Boards can hold a lot of items, but performance usually starts to drop well before the limit is reached. On the board, scroll down until you find the group that contains completed items. Move to the top left corner of that group header and click the checkbox there. That selects every item in the group at once. As soon as those items are selected, a blue action bar appears at the bottom of the screen. In that bar, click Archive. The selected items disappear from the board immediately. They are not deleted. They're stored in the archive and can be restored later if needed. Next, hide any columns you don't need to see every day. Extra visible columns increase the amount of information the board has to render, and that can slow down loading and scrolling. At the top of the board toolbar, look for the eye icon near the filter icon and click it. A panel opens with a list of all columns on the board, each with a checkbox. Go through that list and uncheck the columns you want to hide. If category is visible and you don't use it daily, uncheck category. If owner is visible and you don't need it all the time, uncheck owner. As you uncheck each one, the column disappears from the board right away. When you've hidden the columns you don't need, go to the top right of that panel and click Save to this view. That keeps the current column set up in this board view. Now collapse groups to reduce how much data the board is drawing on screen at once. This is especially useful if the board has a lot of groups open at the same time. Go through the board and collapse groups so less information is visible at once. This reduces the amount of rendered content and helps the board feel lighter as you move through it. After that, check the board's automations. Automations run in the background, and if several of them trigger from the same action, they can add overhead and slow things down. At the top right of the board, click Automate. This opens the Automation Center for the current board. Inside the Automation Center, click the Manage tab. That shows all active automations connected to this board. Review the list carefully. On the right side of each automation, there's a toggle switch. For any automation you no longer need, click the toggle to switch it off. Once it's off, that automation is paused. It won't run, but it also isn't deleted, so it can be turned back on later. Next, clear your browser cache because browser data and extensions can interfere with how Monday.com loads. In Chrome, go to the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Then click Delete Browsing Data. In the options that appear, check Cached Images and Files. Also check Cookies and other site data. With those selected, click Delete Data. When the deletion finishes, restart your browser completely. Then open Monday.com again and reload the board. Now check whether the slowdown is coming from Monday.com itself. Open a new tab in your browser and go to status.monday.com. On that page, look for any active incidents or notices showing degraded performance. If there is an active issue listed, then the slowdown is happening on Monday.com's side and needs to be resolved there. If the page shows operational, then the issue is local to your setup or your board, and the fixes you just worked through are the right ones. At this point, your board should be loading more smoothly, scrolling more cleanly, and responding faster when you open items. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you ever need to access the archived items again, open the board menu and go to Archived Items. They remain safely stored there and can be restored at any time.